Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel and my kitchen. Today, we're going to make a delicious soup together. 1 teaspoon of bulgur, 1 teaspoon of vermicelli, 1 teaspoon of lentils, 1 teaspoon of rice. Let's take the chicken and wash it well. If you like, you can also add 1 teaspoon of green lentils. I'm adding water and making it. I'm adding 5 cups of water. I'm putting it on the stove and boiling it until it softens. Let's stir it once in a while. By the way, the power is out. I want to mention that. I'm adding 1 cup of beef broth to it and boiling it evenly. In a bowl, we take 1 cup of yogurt. I'm adding 1 egg to it. I'm adding 1 tablespoon of flour and mixing it well. Let's check. See, they've started to soften. Let's take 2 ladles of broth from our soup and add the yogurt mixture we prepared. We are adding it. We stir it and heat it up. I'm immediately adding it to my soup while stirring. I'm making sure it boils by stirring continuously. If necessary, you can add more water. My soup has started to boil. I'm taking it aside. Of course, I'm turning on the stove again and moving on to preparing the other sauce. Let's move on to preparing the other sauce. I've put my pan back on the stove. I've added about half a tea glass of oil. I'm adding 1 finely chopped onion and sautéing it nicely. My onions have caramelized beautifully. Look, I'm adding half a teaspoon of red pepper flakes. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of mint. I mix it well and add it to my soup. In the meantime, I've added another cup of water to my soup. We've used 6 cups of water in total. 1 cup of beef broth, so we've used a total of 7 cups of liquid. I'll stir my soup a bit. And then we add the sauce we prepared to it. Voila! As you can see, our delicious soup is ready to serve. If you liked my video, please don't forget to hit the like button. Don't forget to leave your likes and comments. I want to show you the consistency. Goodbye, stay tuned. Of course, we don't forget to add the salt. 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's add it near the end, after we take the soup off the heat. As you know, salt is added last to yogurt soups. Goodbye.